question 13 reads, the number of microscopic organisms in a petri dish grows exponentially with time. The function p above models the number of organisms after growing for t days in the petri dish. Based on the function, which of the following statements is true? Well, we have an exponential equation, and generally exponential equations look like this: b to the power of x, and x is going to be usually our duration, right? How long this exponential equation occurs, right? B is going to be somewhat like the rate of, the rate of change, and a is going to be our starting value. And what's important to identify here is that our starting value is 60 right here in this scenario. And so the way you solve this question is by substituting this variable t with some random number, and it's going to be 2. I'm going to substitute with 2, and actually if you think about it, and the reason why I chose 2 is not really random, and that might be a bit misleading, but if I rewrite this exponential equation with 2 instead of t, you'll realize this fraction can become a whole number. It can become 60 to 3 to the power of 1. And that's why I chose 2, to make it as easy for me to understand. And generally, and this goes for all types of questions like this, where you want to substitute, when you substitute, try to choose a number that gives an outcome that's very easy to understand, if that makes any sense. And so here, it's quite easy. Then I can understand that when 2 days have elapsed, or after 2 days, the number of organisms is 3 times the starting value, right? It's 3 times the starting value, because it becomes 180, and 180 is 3 times of 60. And so that's what I'm looking for, an answer choice, something like that. And if I read question answer choice A, the predicted number of organisms in the dish triples every 2 days. That's spot on. And so our answer is going to be A.